Welcome back everyone. Today we're making the Ember Fringe Poncho. This is a beautiful lace poncho worked from a single rectangle with fringe along the bottom edge. This is an easy pattern. For the yarn I used, the recommended hook size is 4mm, but I work with a 3mm hook to achieve a denser fabric and minimize the openness of the stitch. I used Salt and Shadow 100% cotton yarn in black amber. Everything else that you might need is on the link in the description box below. Let's get started. We'll start by chaining a multiple of 3 plus 2 extra chains. This sets the length of your poncho, so as you chain, hold it up against your body and simply stop when it reaches the length you want. For row 1, you will start working in the second chain from the hook. You will make a single crochet into the second chain from the hook. And then you will chain 3 and you will skip 2 chains and you will single crochet into the next chain. And you will repeat this pattern across. So again, chain 3 and skip 2 chains and single crochet into the next chain, chain 3 again, skip 2 chains and single crochet into the next chain. So repeat this across and I will meet you at the end of the row. Here is row 1 finished. You're gonna finish with a single crochet in the last chain. For row 2, you will chain 4 and turn. And you will single crochet in the chain 3 space. And then you will chain 1. And you will double crochet into the single crochet from the previous row. And then chain 1. And single crochet into the chain 3 space. And you will repeat this from across the row until you reach the end, and I will meet you at the end of this row. If you've been enjoying my videos, it would mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button. Only a small percentage of you who watch are actually subscribed, and it really does make a difference. So thank you so much. Here I am at the end of row 2, making a single crochet in the chain 3 space. Now what you need is chain 1 and double crochet into the last single crochet of the previous row. And for row 3, you will chain 1 and turn. And you will single crochet in the first stitch, so the very first stitch, and then chain 3, and you will make a single crochet into double crochet in the next double crochet of the previous row, and chain 3 again, and single crochet into the next double crochet of the previous row. And you will repeat this pattern until the end of the row, and I will meet you there. Here is the end of row 3. So once you work the last single crochet, you go with the chain 3 and then you work a single crochet into the turning chain. From here you will keep repeating rows 2 and 3 until your rectangle reaches your desired width. Next I'll show you how big my rectangle is so you can use it as a reference for your own. Here's my rectangle. Fold it in half and hold it up against your body to check the fit. Now you're gonna be making a seam on one side over here. You can place a stitch marker there so it's easier to follow the seam. We're gonna be seaming now with the blanket stitch. So attach the yarn on one side. So attach the yarn and make a knot, and then start working the blanket stitch until you reach the stitch marker. Here is the poncho after seaming. You can stop here for a clean finish or keep going and add the fringe for that extra boho touch. So to add the fringe, you will cut yarn into equal lengths. You will fold the piece in half and insert your hook through a hole along the bottom edge. And you will pull the folded loop through. and then you will pull the ends through the loop and tighten. So you will repeat this along the entire bottom edge, spacing the fringe evenly as you go. If you made it to here, that means your Ember Fringe Poncho is finished. And I have to say I'm very proud of you. And please send me some pictures or tag me on social media if you make pictures or videos. And thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really means a lot to me. See you in the next one.